Okay guys, so here we have the new PlayStation Portal. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this and I will demo the setup. I was a bit skeptical of this, to be honest, but I'm excited to have it here and to give it a try. Okay, so let's open it up. And that's just so you can charge it. Okay, so first of all, it feels really solid. This is basically a DualSense controller without the central option there, and these smaller thumbsticks. So I'm going to try and set this up, and then I'll give you an idea of what it's like when gaming.